not here to waste any time. My goal is for you to look as good and as stylish as efficiently as possible. Now, the truth is, boys, that most of you don't actually have bad style. You guys have what you need. The problem is that you're wearing your pieces incorrectly. You're doing minor mistakes that's making you look sloppy and messy and as if you don't know how to dress. Today, boys, I'm gonna give you 6 simple style fixes that every dude can improve on. And when you do, I promise you, you are going to dress better. So if your goal is to be more stylish, stay tuned for this video, boys. Let's hop in. Number 1. I want you to start tucking in your shirt properly. Yo, the other day I did a video where 10 guys were gonna mate with one girl or date one girl within 30 seconds. One of the guys that got tuned out was because of how his shirt was tucked in. You can watch that video. The girl clearly says it herself that it was his half-tucked, messy shirt that effed it up.
I thought he was super cute when I looked up, and then I looked down, saw his style in his half-tucked-in shirt, and was a little turned off.
Girls, pay attention to the details. Your boss will pay attention to the details. You having a sloppy tuck makes you look messy. So a good guideline that you can use is something called the gig line. This is an imaginary line that runs from your chin to your crotch. Everything from your shirt to your tie to your belt buckle to your pant clasp to your zipper should all be lined up in that gig line. If it is, you got that perfect tuck. Number 2, saggy butts. Look, pancake butts are the worst, boys. It looks messed up. And the truth is, nobody's gonna talk to you about this. Your dad won't talk to you about this. Your best friends won't talk to you about this. But women, they actually look at guys' butt. I have a video on how to make your butt look bigger for dudes, and this actually has like over 1 million, almost 2 million views. It's because it matters. You wanna have that athletic, firm butt that girls will actually want to grab. Trust me, if you've ever been in a relationship, girls like your butt. And if your pants are sagging, you're gonna make it seem as if you got a pancake butt. It looks sloppy. Usually what ends up happening to me is that since my thighs are big and my waist is small, I need to oversize on my waist so my legs can fit properly. And what ends up happening is that my pants tend to sag throughout the day. This is what gives you that pancake butt. However, if you start wearing your pants at your waist where they're supposed to, now the cut of the pants is gonna contour your body better, giving you that athletic appeal. This is why I've told you so many times, use Anson belts. Our sponsor, Anson belts, are probably the best belts you're gonna ever buy to ensure that your pants always fit properly. Mainly because it's a micro adjustable track system. In other words, regular belts have holes where you have to make this 1 to 1.5 inch jumps every time, and that's why most of us rather use a loose belt than a super tight belt that feels constricting. With Anson belt, it has 1/4 inch adjustments on that track system so you can get a precise fit on your belt to ensure that your pants always stay up without them sagging or without it feeling super uncomfortable. The best part is that the belt looks way more stylish, and if you guys click the link down below and check out their special bundle where you can get 3 belt buckles and 2 straps, or 2 straps and 3 belt buckles, you can interchange the straps and the buckles to get a total of 6 different belt combinations to ensure you have almost every style combination you need when you're composing outfits, and it's under $100, boys. Number 3. This is something I just started doing and I want to share it with you guys, and it's to start wearing trunks. So, in case you don't know, there's different styles of underwear that men can wear. You got boxers, boxer briefs, tanks, or like whitey-tighty style, and then you got trunks. Trunks are right in between your whitey-tighty and your boxer brief. You get a square cut in your underwear that still makes you look sexy and athletic when you're just wearing underwear. But since it's not as long as a boxer brief, what I've noticed is that you get more mobility when you're working out in the gym, and more importantly, when it comes to style, you don't get printing. Usually when you wear boxers or boxer briefs, that excess fabric, all that extra length, tends to start crunching up, especially when you wear pants that are fitted, and you get this annoying printing lines on your pants that looks unsightly. Wearing boxer trunks, in my opinion, cuts that out, gives you more mobility, and you still look sexy. Number 4, look smarter by tucking in anything, especially t-shirts. This is something I've done for over a year now, and the thing is that I've noticed that anytime you want to look smarter or just elevate your style without putting too much effort, without dressing up too much, tuck in your shirt. You can do this even with a t-shirt and just look at the immediate difference this does. All of a sudden, you look more sophisticated, you look more classy, and you look more stylish, like you dress better, although all you did was tuck in the shirt in the same outfit. That is the power of knowing how to do these micro style fixes to ensure you look better. 5, your collar, boys. If your collar is a mess, it's never gonna make your outfit look good. This is the easiest thing that most dudes can fix to make sure you look stylish. My favorite way to fix a flappy collar is to get magnetic collar stays. Now, magnetic collar stays can be very expensive if you buy the actual name brand. So what I like to do is you can go on Amazon, buy metal collar stays, which will be about $2, and then buy small magnets, which will be about 80 cents. And for about $3, you can have magnetic collar stays that are reusable, and every time you wear a dress shirt, you always look sharp. Finally, number 6, boys, start wearing undershirts. But not the ones that your dad used to wear, but more so the modern ones that use a micromodal fabric that contours your body and squeezes everything in. Moreover, because this fabric is elastic, it kind of smooths out your body frame. In other words, if you have love handles or any imperfections in your body, it kind of smooths it out, so when you throw on that dress shirt over that undershirt, it just seamlessly fits over your body without any interruptions or crumbling. And then finally, you're protecting your outerwear, whether it's a t-shirt that you're wearing or a dress shirt. Most of this stuff is expensive clothing that if you don't wear without an undershirt, you'll develop yellow pit stains and stink your shirt up or sweat through it, which ends up ruining your garment. So start wearing undershirts. And that's basically it, boys. Those are 6 simple style fixes any dude can do to dress better. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Ants and Bell, and that we're restocking on our face masks this Friday. Again, last time it sold in under 5 minutes. I don't want you to miss it. That's it for me today. See you next time.